presentation. I'm going to do an English presentation. I'm going to say what thing you can do in a museum and you cannot do in the museum. It's important that you know what you can and you cannot do in the museum. For example, we can take pictures with our cell phone or handheld cameras. We can keep a notebook and take notes. We can move freely through the corridors. We can ask the people we wait. But there are certain things that we can do not. For example, we can't run in the hallways. We can't enter food at the museum. We can't touch the work of art. We cannot touch photos with tripod or photo rolls. We can take museum items home with us. We can raise our voice in the museum. We cannot enter restricted areas. We cannot smoke on the museum premise. For this reason, and many more, you must have good behavior when you visit this place. Thank you very much.